So today to everyone, my name is LNB Position. So today I'll be teaching you how to track our star time. This is facing on the east, on the west, not on the east. Now to track that, you need to know the angle, the 7 degrees east. Then you move your dish. Now to know your location, where your east or your west falls, just download the compact on your smartphone, and this the front side of the phone is going to determine. So here it's indicating that this side is my west. So I'm done with the phone. And to turn now the dish to face the west. So I'm turning the dish to face the west. Now this is the dish, it's already facing the west. Now I'm to turn this LNB to face 3 o'clock. Now just picture the clock, and you know up is 12, down is 6, here is 3, here is 7, and here is 3. So turn it to 7 o'clock. After that, you now take your satellite finder, you on your satellite finder, and you need a TP to do that. So I'm going to give you a TP. Now the TP for it, the TP is 12,035 horizontal 27,500. Now I've already turned the dish to my west, and the signal here is indicating the strength. I don't know if the camera can zoom it. The strength is indicating there, so I'm just going to elevate the dish down or up to have the final signal. So I'm taking it down a little bit, so you can see it's not that way stable, so we need to adjust the dish. Remember I told you about the LNB. I'm going to emphasize on it, and I'm going to show you why I'm turning the LNB like this, my LNB like this. So you can see I have the 7, so I need to go down 40%. Now I'm to step up this so that all the frequencies there is going to be good. That is, all the frequency on this satellite is going to be there. So let me step up this. So it's 42, right? So I'm turning the dish on my right a little bit to see if it's going to I say 49. That is 49. Yes, so this is the setup. Now let me turn this LNB and see what is going to display on this screen. Let me turn it and you see. I see I've turned the LNB to 6 o'clock and the channel is not there. So you might track this. You might use 6 o'clock and be tracking the whole day. You don't have it. So you don't need to use 6 o'clock. You want to track, turn your LNB to face the direction as if it wants to face the east. When you turn it, you are going to have your signal. So this is how you track it. So we have channels here like African news. We make sure all the channels are there. They have about close to 70 something channels, free to air channels. So this is the setup. So you see those there that cannot use. This 22 is yes. So this is 7. So after doing this setup, you need to rescan your decoder and you are good to go. So don't forget to like, you share, and comment on what I should do. It's very important for you to do the comment. So don't forget to like, you share, and comment. And if not share this video, please do that and share it to your friends so that they might learn this also, how to track star time. You understand? And it's not a must to track your star time using the decoder. Using their dish. You might track it with another dish, maybe cannot use. But the main thing is that for you to have the channels, you must use a DSTV, a StarTime decoder. Thank you very much, and don't forget to share this and subscribe. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Comment, and